My name's Nathan Coker. I'm the owner and operator of Coker's Rod Shop. I'm out here with GSI Machine and Fabrication. They gave me one of their featured spots, running one of their full chassis under this 56 Chevrolet truck. You know, we've had this truck for about 10 years now. It was just a little shop truck. We just kind of run around in, flat paint, no interior. We come out to SEMA last year, painted a Blazer, and come out here and just kind of got the itch. Come back, in November, back home, and just had a little fire lit in us and wanted to build something to represent the shop and represent the other companies that have helped us out with this build. And, here we are. You know, the color stands out to everybody, especially when they walk by. Everybody loves the colors of it. That's the most thing, that the interior, just everything about it. We tried to just keep everything classy on the truck, and I think that's what basically stands out to everybody the most. The main challenge we went through was basically flattening the firewall out and building the inner fenders in the truck here, and getting the bed floor working like it was supposed to, because most bed floors work on a hinge setup that just kind of float, just come out. So basically what we did is made the floor come out of the actual floor, so it's a hovering floor, wood bed floor in the back. So that was a real big task right there. You know, the components we've used on this vehicle, we had a lot of companies come in. Vintage Air helped us out a lot. CPP did. We're running their 13-inch big brake kit. We're running their universal under dash brake pedal setup and the master cylinder and the proportioning valve on this truck. Fantastic products. Detroit Steel Wheel helped us out with the wheels. Snowden Seats helped us out with the seat. Big Body's Interiors done all the interior work for us. Classic Instruments got us our instrument cluster in here. Just the list goes on. We was overwhelmed with a lot of help.